Right off the bat, this application here is not free. This VPN application here is not free. You're going to need a subscription to even get connected to this VPN application. So here, if you do tap on this option, you will see their subscription page, and pretty much anywhere top you see their subscription page. So they do offer a 3 days free trial which you can test out their servers. I've tested it and it's fairly good, I should say. So as you can see here, they have a weekly subscription and a yearly subscription. I'm not sure if they have a monthly subscription here. I don't see here. But these are subscriptions that they offer, and do make sure you enable this here so you can get the 3 days free trial to test out their servers and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for this application here. And down here you have the profile option, nothing much for that. And this is just where you go to select your servers and so forth. So very basic and easy VPN to use. I've tested it before and it works very great. So if you want to go ahead, you can go ahead and give it a try and let me know in the comment section as well. See you guys in the next one.